This is the Nothing Phone 3A. Almost every person who has seen this phone with me has immediately been intrigued by it. The transparent back design, especially, is quite catchy. And then they ask, "What phone is this?" And every time I answer, "Nothing Phone 3A," they go, "What? What name is that? What brand is that?" It's the same response, sometimes in different words, the same expression on their faces. It almost feels like for most people, they have simply never heard about Nothing Phone. Nothing Technology is a British company headquartered in London in the United Kingdom, co-founded by the former co-founder of OnePlus, and they make Android smartphones. The first Nothing phone was released in 2022. All their designs have this transparent back thing. Plus, these lights, let me show you those lights. So you see this? They blink in different ways. You can set the phone up such that they blink in different ways to serve as notifications when calls come in or when messages come in. Let me show you. It's called the Glyph. Is that how it's pronounced? Is it Glyph or Glyph? I don't know. I'm not sure. I haven't bothered to find out. So bear with me. So for example, ringtones, nothing signals, right? And okay, so right. So this particular ringtone called crossing. This one is ripple. It's different. This one pulse. It's different. Wings. It's different. Dolphin. Different. Anna. Sticks. Wizard. Hammer. And club. And then apart from ringtones, apart from the signals, there are a set of sounds or notifications called nothing machines. Pneumatic. So this one, it's only one of those three lights flashing. Okay, this looks like a disco thing. Yeah, sounds like disco. What's the name? Abra. They should have named this disco. Plot. But you get the picture. You can set any of this as the default ringtone of the Nothing Phone 3A. And when you put your phone down like this and a message comes in, right, you get those notifications at the back. It's cool. Some can say it's a gimmick. I don't use it much. Oh, of course, you can also set it such that these lights are disabled and only the sound comes through. Of course, you can set a custom ringtone. For example, I'm using the Whole New World ringtone by Aladdin. A whole new world. Yeah, that's what I use as my custom ringtone. But this is pretty much how it works. That's how the notification system, the Glyph or Glyph, notification system works on every Nothing phone. The design is good. Everybody says it's nice. It feels good in the hand. Unfortunately, Nothing Technology is not officially available in many countries, so availability is limited, which is why a lot of people probably have never heard of the brand. Nothing. The user interface is smooth. The software is well optimized. It's one of the best optimized Android implementations that I have experienced in years of reviewing hundreds of mobile phones. I really love it. It's a pleasant surprise. Is there anything else special about it? Yes, it's mostly the software. So I just thought to do a quick introduction of the Nothing brand, so to speak. Nothing Technology also has a sub brand called CMF by Nothing. It's based in Delhi, in India. They produce even more budget oriented phones. So if you happen to run into anything called CMF phone, CMF phone 1, CMF phone 2, etc., 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 it's also a Nothing phone, quote and unquote. This is a lovely phone. I really like it. It's a phone I'm very comfortable with. No lags, no stutters, no pauses, no annoying irritations. It just gets the job done. The cameras are good. It's got fast charging. I can't recommend it enough. If you want one in most countries, you have to get it through people who import on their own. But if you are in the US, some models are available through their beta program. If you're in the UK, of course, where they are based, yes, easy access. If you're in Europe and India, oh, beautiful. You have great access to Nothing phones. In many other places, you just have to hunt around your favorite retailer, Gearbest, Amazon, Jumia, Konga, etc., and see if you can find one there. And yes, I'm sure you will be able to find. Just know that it's not through the official channels. That also means you're not likely to get after sales support. If something goes wrong with your device, there's nothing on ground to support you in those markets where Nothing is not officially present. But this is a beautiful device, and it's not the top model. It's just below their flagship product. And lovely. Love. This costs about $379. They have a model above this, and then they have a number of other models below this. So just pick what you want or pick what works for your budget, and you can enjoy Nothing phone. I love it, and I think you will love it too, because everyone else who has seen it with me loves it. All right then, see you guys in my next video.